show you how to play California Sun by the Rivieras. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody, the right-hand melody. And you start off with the introduction, lays the groundwork. It goes E flat. We're in the key of E flat. Start on an E flat. So you got two E flats, G, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, C, E flat, B flat. So it'll sound like. And then you just imitate that up an octave. Then we come all the way back down to this octave and put your left hand in with just an open fifth on E flat, E flat, B flat. You can play it once or you can play it twice. Da 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 dee dee da. Or you can just play it da 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 dee dee da 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 dee. It sounds good either way. Now this time you imitate it to right there. And then they go. And I'm not going to put that last C in there. They go C, E flat, C, B flat, G, F, E flat. I don't put that last C in there because I'm setting up to get my hands onto the chord. Then you've got an E flat chord, E flat, G, B flat, going to an A flat chord, E flat, A flat, C. Rhythm is da 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 da. So you do that 4 times, and then it changes to a C minor chord, and then we're going to go down to an A flat, drop down to a C, E flat, A flat, and then the rhythm will change right there to a da da da. And then end with an E flat, da da da. So it'll be da 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 A flat, E flat, ba 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 ba, A flat, ba 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 ba, E flat. 4th time. Then we're going to go to it. Then we're going to do the same rhythm but to a C minor. And that'll be E flat, G, C, down to an A flat chord with C, E flat, A flat, just da 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 da. So you go ba 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 ba, and you slide up to the D flat chord with D on the bottom, D, F, B flat, and then end with an E flat. Now on the left hand, all you're going to go is da 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 da. You're going to go E flat, A flat chord, E flat, A flat, C. Open fifth on E flat, B flat, A flat, C, E flat, A flat, C, da 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 da. You do that 4 times, then we go to E flat, B flat, G and C. Open fifth on G and C, and then A flat, B flat, back to the E flat, da da. So now I'm going to slow it down to show you how you put the hands together on that so that you don't go so fast. You can see the cover version to get it up to speed. But to get it up to speed, you can play any rhythm you want at 170 beats per minute, and it's right on their speed, the Riviera speed. Speed. So if you just set your rhythm at 170 beats per minute, you'll have it. Now I'm going to slow it down so that you can see it all together. There's a pickup for the first vocal. I'm going down. Okay, so I'm going out west. Well, I'm going out west where I belong. And then they with the organ. Same thing. Where the days are short and the nights are long. So you'll change you'll change the rhythmic structure of this just a little bit depending on the words. Into that bridge section, that just where they walk and they twist. And so what that is going to be C, C, B flat, G, G, F, E flat, C, B flat, G, G, F, E flat, C, B flat, two of them there. They shimmy and shimmy, two on the E flat there. They fly and I fly. So you're going to have one on the B flat except for shimmy right there. And then in the left hand you're just going to do the same thing. E flat, in the A flat chord, E flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, C. And here you're going to go bum, 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 dee, 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 bum, 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 da, 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 dee, 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 da, 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 dee, dee, dee. Again 4 times, and then we go to a C minor. Da, 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 da. So now taking it slowly. Now if you have trouble with your left hand doing that while you go, the key is to slow it down. Once you slow it down, then you can speed it up, because sometimes your hands want to do the same. You know, if they try to do the same thing, just slow it down. Now we do the same thing with the second verse. We're going to go. Same bridge. So the second verse will just be more of the same. Well, you don't do that like you do in the introduction. You just come back to the B flat. Interlude, you just play it right in this octave, and it's just going to be E flat, G, B flat, B flat, B flat. So you go. Then do it again. And so you do that twice, and then we're going to go into just thirds. We'll have the C, and then G and B flat, A flat and C. You do that 4 times, and then G and B flat, G and C, then back to the C, E flat, A flat. You got to watch that you don't get that F sharp to sound, because it'll bleed over. If it does, you just keep going, and it'll just sound like a little bit of intonation problem right there. But so if we go to the bridge. verse. So then you're gonna go to, well, the girls are frisky in old Frisco, so it'll sound like imitate. And then they sing a pretty little face chick, a pretty little chick wherever you go. So you got again. And this time, instead of finishing up like that, they put in a little so they lead right into that bridge. So it'll sound like this. Tag, all we do is repeat that last phrase. So now if I have the drum machine going on, then I knock the drum machine off right after the pop right there. So I'll turn it on and I'll show you. There you have it. California Sun by the Rivieras. Hope you enjoy playing it.